Isn't this cake pretty? Look at this. If some of you think that I'm lucky getting to try this cake, I'll tell you what, you make it and you'll be lucky too.
This is an easy, lazy, no bake cake to make. You only need 2 ingredients, just a little wafers and whipped cream. That's it. If you want to add sugar, please do, and or vanilla. Okay, let's begin. This is fun. It's super simple, super easy. Voila. Just make a chin-chai and spread it quickly. Chin-chai, chin-chai. Alright, and this is what you do, see?
Oh, nice. Is that like a cake for my birthday?
Yes.
What about the pies?
Et voila. Now let's make it pretty. Goes in the fridge.
Well, since it's for my birthday cake, I want it chocolate covered with white flowers on top.
Chocolate. Alright, this is good.
It must be ready. Can I have it? Hey, where's the chocolate icing? It's missing. Come back and do it.
Voila, it's ready.
Good. Chocolate icing on top.
That's your birthday cake.
Just like I wanted. There's going to be brown on the outside and white on the inside.
It's just for you, so I'm not making
Just for me.
Yes.
Remember that. Wow, look at this. It's as though somebody baked this and took a lot of time creating all the different layers. And the taste? So moist. Not overly sweet. This is the cake to have. Nobody would guess how easy this was, but yet the secret is ours. We're not sharing it with anyone, are we, guys? So there you go. You wouldn't know this is a biscuit or a wafer. You would really think that this is really something special that somebody baked a long time. Easy, lazy, no bake cake.
That's what we've been calling
Make sure that, dear goddess, that it doesn't eat all of this. It's my birthday cake after all, you know.
Look at that. That is so pretty.
It had no birthday candle. It was not on my actual birthday. This is so good. I can't really share it with Goddess. And there's not enough here for 2 of us anyway. I don't know why she only makes cake for 1. Look at that. She must waste it with durian on the side.
This is so delicious.
Normally the aroma would be just faint scent of
This is so
whipped cream and vanilla, but you have the added pungency of durian here.
really nice because I don't like it sweet. Delicious.
Get your tickets and press that bell!